Hello there. Welcome to CS6551 Computer Architecture. So this will be handled by myself, Karthik. So this subject it will be very interesting, and it is the core subject for electronics and communication engineering students. So let us see what is computer architecture by definition. So what is CA? So according to John P. Hess, one of the most popular authors of a computer architecture book. So he says the study of the structure, behavior and design of computers. So study of structure, behavior and design of computers. So what we are going to deal in computer architecture is that first we are going to understand the basic structure of a computer, what are all the components, how they are interconnected, how they are behaving, how they operates, and finally we are going to incorporate all these things, and finally we are going to design computers. So the study of structure, behavior and design of computers is seems to be the proper definition for computer architecture. Now from my perspective, from my point of view, let me clear or clarify what actually a computer organization or computer architecture is. So as we are from electronics background, it will be more enough clear to explain you with the electronic background. So here you take electronic devices. So let us we know, as we are from electronics stream, we know diodes, transistors and integrated circuits, digital ICs, analog ICs, all these are electronic devices. And when you apply this computer architecture principles on these electronic devices, as per our discussion, as per our definition, that is the structure, behavior, first understand the structure, analyze the behavior, then design of computer. How you design a computer is you apply the principles and definitions and protocols that we are studying in computer architecture paper, and you apply these on electronic devices, and you can come with a general purpose computer. You can finally, the outcome of this course is that you can design a general purpose computer. So on this general purpose computer, you install or download or you develop a program and you achieve the desired behavior. This is what actually the computer architecture must be understood by an electronic background engineer. So electronic devices apply the computer architecture principles, you will end up with a general purpose computer, and by developing a program, say for example C program or C++ or embedded C program or Java, whatever the program you know, you are familiar with, you just apply the program on this as application to this general purpose computer, and you can achieve the desired behavior. Desired behavior means the thing that you required by the personal computer. So now let us clarify the basic difference between architecture and organization. So in general, there are always two terms coined along with this computer architecture or computer organization. People used to say is sometimes as computer architecture, and sometimes it is referred to as computer organization. So let me clearly explain you what is architecture. So let us take a smartphone as our example. You can take smartphone, or you can take even your house, your own house as example. So here the architecture actually deals with what are all the components or facilities, or what are all the facilities or components available inside the particular device. If you take a smartphone, we can see what are all the components available inside the smartphone. For example, you are going to a shop to purchase a smartphone, and you may ask the shopkeeper, is camera is available, is Bluetooth is available, is Wi-Fi is available, is FM is supported, etc, etc. So architecture means simply we can take a smartphone and we can analyze or we can understand that camera is there, Bluetooth is there, Wi-Fi is there and FM is there. Whereas organization means it deals how much are there. That is, what is the camera is there? Okay, what is the size of the camera, or what is the resolution of the camera? Bluetooth. So which version of the Bluetooth is supported by this particular device? Wi-Fi is there, then what is the coverage? given by the Wi-Fi device. So FM radio is there, and how many channels are supported by this FM radio? So this architecture and organization are clearly explained here in this slide. Architecture just tells what are all the components or blocks available in a device, and whereas in organization we are going to analyze the range or the designation of the components. If you take your house as an example, just the architecture of the house tells us that there are two rooms, one kitchen, one hall, etc. Whereas the organization tells what is the size of each hall, what is the size of kitchen, what are all the facilities available within the kitchen, etc. So this is the basic difference between computer architecture and organization. So computer architecture tells the structure and basic elements and blocks of the computer, whereas computer organization means we are going to discuss or we are going to analyze how these blocks and components are organized. So in general we are going to focus both on computer architecture and organization. So initially we will be looking into the computer architecture, and slowly we will be passing on to this computer organization, and as outcome of the course you will be familiar to design computers. That is, the outcome of the course is to design computers. That is the main objective of our subject. As from the definition, once again I would like to remind you, the study of the structure, behavior and design of computers is the definition given by John B. Hayes for computer architecture. So keep it in your mind. Study of structure, behavior and design of computers. So we'll end up with this slide for this portion, and next in the next video we'll be looking into basic elements of a computer. So it will be coming up in the next tutorial. Stay tuned. Happy learning.